Adding a custom domain to your Shopify store is essential for branding and professionalism. Here's how to do it. Purchase a domain. You can purchase a custom domain directly through Shopify or from a third-party provider like GoDaddy, Namecheap, or Google Domains. If you choose a third-party provider, ensure you have access to your domain's DNS settings. Access Shopify Admin. Log into your Shopify Admin panel. Go to Domain Settings. In your Shopify Admin, click on Settings at the bottom left. Then, select Domains under the Settings menu. Add Existing Domain. If you bought the domain outside Shopify, click Connect Existing Domain. Enter your domain name and click Next. Update DNS records. If your domain is with a third-party provider, you will need to update the DNS settings to point to Shopify. You will need to set the A record to Shopify's IP address. Set the CNAME record to shops.myshopify.com. This can be done via your domain provider's DNS settings. Verify and set as primary. After the DNS settings are updated, verify the domain in Shopify. Set it as your primary domain by clicking Set as Primary.